Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to study Python list. So list is basically of collection data type. In collection data type, there is a variable and the variable stores multiple values. The values can be of same data type or values can be of different data types. And list is ordered and the values are changeable. Like you can change the value of any item at any time, and it allows duplicate members, and these are written within square brackets. So here is an example. This is example list is a variable which stores the multiple values. These values are of type string, but you can have values of int data type, string data type, or mixture of any other data types you want. And this is enclosed within the square brackets that shows it's a list, and it will always have an indexing. Like first item always has index 0, then the 1, then 2, and indexing helps in accessing the data type. Like whenever you don't want to access complete list and you want to access a particular member of the list, then you can have indexing. Like for example, if I want to access only mango thing, then mango's index is 1. Like apple has 0 index and mango has 1. So when I write example list of 1, so 1 refers to the index number. So which item has the index number 1? Mango. So it will return mango. Then there is negative indexing. Like whenever you write minus sign in front of the index, it will return from the end. Like negative indexing means the beginning from the end, and minus 1 refers to the last item, minus 2 the second last item, and so on. And you can have even the range, and whenever you specify range, it will return the items from starting range to the end range, and it will return a new list with this range. So we can have the programming example and understand what I mean by this all. So here is an list. I have taken a variable named yal, and this has 3 items: apple, mango, cherry. So, and I'm printing this list. So first I'll save this with the name demo.py. Now I'll execute this. Python demo.py. So it will return my list. Now let's understand how we can change the values within the list. So previously the index 1 has the first let's understand how we can have the specific member, how we can access that. Let me modify in the same. Yellow of 1. Yellow of 1 means mango, the index 1. So it should return mango now. So the item with index 1 is mango. So now let me change that. So I am reassigning that to orange. And I'll save this. So now my index 1 item is orange. Now when I print this L of 1, it should return orange to me. So with this we understood we can change the data type. We can change the value of any variable, and we can have like we can get the value, or we can get the item with a specified data type, and we can have duplicate data types that I'll show you. Now yellow of 0 is apple. Now let me say yellow of 3. Yellow of 2 is not there, so I'll add yellow of 3. Now yellow of 1 only I can just modify this to apple, and I'll print this. Now it's apple, apple and cherry. apple, apple, and cherry. So we can have duplicate values in the list. So even we can insert values in the list, even we can delete values from the list. We can insert using insert function, we can delete using delete, pop, and there is also remove function for that. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.